Hi teachers, welcome back. Today with KaiLab, we're talking about our automated warehouse mat. This mat is incredible to get your students ready for that CTE training and get them ready for those future jobs. Let's have a look at some of those lessons now. Wonderful, so once you're in your Learn Portal website, you can come down to our KaiLab and lessons. Then you'll scroll down a little bit further to our filters where you'll find the different adventure mats to choose from. You'll then select our automated warehouse mat. Now, as you can see, there are loads of awesome lessons to choose from here, all that have a really great progression with them as well. So you can see they go from lesson 1, 2, 3, etc. So it's a great place for your teachers to be able to come and know that they've got lessons ready to go for them. Let's have a little bit of a look at one of those lessons in a little bit more detail. So once you select onto what lesson you're wanting for the day, you can scroll down a bit further and see the different tabs available with all the different countries and the standards in which they're aligned to. So once you select, you can see the framework and all the standards. As you scroll down further, you'll be able to see your objective, activity, outcome, and all the resources you'll need for this lesson. So this one is showing you a busy day in the warehouse. So you can also download and print any of these lessons as well. They have a full step-by-step guide for your teachers to be able to pick up and work with for the day. We've got our overview, everything that you'll need and what the students will be learning. It gives you a full example of what some of that code might be like, the criteria, and then of course at the end we've got our self-assessment recap questions. So this is a great place for you to come with your students as well. So as you can see, these lessons are perfect. You'll be able to have a step-by-step guide and work with them with your students very easily. As you can see, there's a range of awesome activities there for your students to get a real taste of what those logistics and supply chain jobs would really look like if they were to choose that as a career. Let's have a look at our automated warehouse mat and the virtual world. But we're not done there yet. Not only have you got our automated warehouse mat with all of the lessons that you've got on that, we also have another theme that you can unlock and have a whole new virtual world to explore and lessons to go with that as well. So once you're into your KaiLab platform, you'll be able to go into your virtual viewer where you'll see our automated warehouse mat. So this is the virtual world that you'll see, but we can unlock that other KaiBot Factory. So once you go onto the side here, you'll see theme, then you'll be able to select your KaiBot Factory. Watch this new virtual world absolutely come to life. So this is where students and teachers will be able to come and explore and get a taste of making that KaiBot and seeing how it works in the factory. I'm excited for your students to try this one out. As you can see, our KaiLab automated warehouse mat is definitely going to be one of the favourites. It's a perfect place for your students to explore and get a taste of that CTE training and what some future job roles might be like for them. I'm excited to see how your students enjoy it. Now, in the next few videos, you'll be able to explore some of our other mats that we have available. I look forward to seeing you there.